Hey everyone, welcome back to Ask Literature, your go-to channel for exploring the fascinating world of literature and literary theory. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our insightful discussions. Today we're diving into an important and often underrepresented field, disability studies. So what is disability studies? At its core, disability studies examines how disability is represented in literature, culture, society. It challenges the traditional narratives that often depict disability solely through the lens of pity, tragedy, or heroism. Instead, disability studies seeks to understand disability as a social and cultural construct, emphasizing the experiences and voices of disabled individuals. This perspective not only broadens our understanding of literature, but also compels us to rethink our societal perceptions of disability. Historically, literature has often portrayed disabled characters in stereotypical ways. Think about classic texts where disability is linked to villainy or misfortune, reinforcing harmful cliches. For instance, consider the character of Quasimodo in Victor Hugo's The Hunchback of Notre Dame. While Quasimodo is a complex figure, his disability is often depicted as a source of tragedy and social ostracism. This reflects a broader societal tendency to view disability through a lens of negativity rather than as a facet of human diversity. Disability studies emerged in the late 20th century alongside the disability rights movement. Activists and scholars began to advocate for a more nuanced understanding of disability, pushing back against the medical model that sees disability as a deficiency needing to be fixed. Instead, they proposed the social model, which argues that societal barriers rather than individual impairments create disability. This shift in perspective is crucial as it highlights how the built environment, social attitudes, and institutional practices contribute to the experience of disability. One of the key figures in disability studies is Leonard J. Davis, who argues that our society often prioritizes able-bodied experiences while marginalizing those who do not fit this norm. He points out that disability is not just an individual issue but a societal one tied to power dynamics and cultural narratives. This framework allows us to analyze how literature reflects and perpetuates these power structures. Let's take a moment to explore how disability studies can enrich our understanding of contemporary literature. Consider the novel The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Nighttime by Mark Haddon. The protagonist, Christopher, is a 15-year-old boy who identifies as having autism. Haddon's portrayal of Christopher challenges stereotypes associated with autism and invites readers to experience the world through his eyes. This kind of representation is vital as it humanizes disabled characters and allows for a deeper exploration of their inner lives. Similarly, we can look at the work of authors like Helen Keller. Her autobiography, The Story of My Life, provides an insightful glimpse into the life of a deaf-blind individual. Keller's narrative challenges the prevailing notions of disability by showcasing her intelligence, resilience, and achievements. Through her words, she dismantles the idea that disability equates to inability, offering a powerful testament to the strength of the human spirit. Another important aspect of disability studies is its focus on intersectionality. This approach examines how disability intersects with other social categories such as race, gender, and class. For example, consider the experiences of disabled women who often face compounded discrimination. Authors like Nnedi Okorafor address these complexities in their works, weaving together narratives of race, gender, and disability to offer richer, more diverse representations. Disability representation in literature also prompts us to reflect on language itself. The words we use to describe disability can carry significant weight, shaping our perceptions and attitudes. For instance, terms like handicapped or crippled are increasingly seen as outdated and derogatory. In contrast, the use of disabled or differently abled can promote a more respectful and accurate understanding. Disability studies encourages us to be mindful of language as it has the power to either reinforce stereotypes or foster inclusion. Now, let's consider the role of popular culture in shaping our understanding of disability. Films and television shows often depict disabled characters in ways that either empower or undermine them. Think about the portrayal of characters in shows like Atypical or Speechless. These series aim to provide more accurate representations of autism and other disabilities, highlighting the everyday experiences and challenges faced by disabled individuals. However, it's essential to critically assess whether these portrayals truly reflect the diversity of disabled experiences or if they still rely on stereotypes. Another noteworthy example is the portrayal of disability in graphic novels and comics. Works like El Defoe by C.C. Bell offer unique insights into the experiences of disabled individuals, using humor and creativity to challenge conventional narratives. Bell's graphic memoir about growing up with hearing loss provides a relatable and empowering perspective, encouraging readers to embrace their differences. As we engage with disability studies, it's crucial to consider the implications for education and literary analysis. Incorporating this perspective into the classroom fosters an environment that values diverse voices and experiences. Educators can encourage students to analyze how texts portray disability and to question the societal norms surrounding it. This critical engagement not only deepens literary understanding but also promotes empathy and awareness. In conclusion, disability studies invites us to reevaluate our perceptions of disability in literature and society. It challenges us to consider the social constructs that shape our understanding of disability and to listen to the voices of disabled individuals. By embracing this approach, we can foster a more inclusive literary landscape that reflects the rich tapestry of human experiences. If you found this discussion on disability studies enlightening, please give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. What texts do you believe offer meaningful representations of disability? I'd love to hear your suggestions. And remember to subscribe for more literary explorations. Until next time, keep reading and reflecting on the diverse stories that shape our understanding of the world.